This is a traditional Christian story associated with the beloved hymn, "I have decided to follow Jesus." Long ago, in a peaceful village surrounded by majestic mountains, people lived simple lives, close to nature and close to one another. Every sunrise reminded them of the beauty, the greatness, and the faithfulness of God. Among the villagers lived a humble Christian family. They were not known for riches or power, but for their deep love and unwavering faith in Jesus Christ. Every day, they gathered together to pray, to read the Holy Scriptures, and to worship the Lord. As time passed, the people of the village began to notice something different about this family. Their lives reflected peace, kindness, forgiveness, humility, and love. Soon, news of their faith spread throughout the village until it reached the ears of the village chief. He listened carefully and decided to summon the family to appear before him. When the message arrived, the family was not overcome by fear. Instead, they gathered together in prayer, asking God for wisdom, courage, and strength. With peaceful hearts and unwavering faith, the family walked together toward the chief's house. Every step they took was a step of trust, believing that God would never leave them nor forsake them. When they arrived, they stood respectfully before the village chief. Around them, the villagers gathered in complete silence, wondering what would happen next. The village chief spoke calmly, but with great authority. Then he placed a difficult choice before the father. The father turned and looked at his wife and his children. No words were spoken, yet in their eyes he saw courage, hope, and complete trust in God. In that quiet moment, his heart became strong. The answer he was about to give would change everything.
I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back.
The elders were furious when they heard of Nok Seng's conversion. They saw it as a betrayal, not just of the tribe's religion, but of its identity. They summoned him before the entire village. The chief's voice was sharp, his eyes cold as steel. "Renounce your faith in this Jesus or face death." Nok Seng's wife and 2 children were forced to stand beside him. It was clear the threat was real in the tribe's law. Disobedience to the elders was punishable by death. In this tense moment, with everyone's eyes upon him, Nok Seng's voice rose, steady and unwavering. "I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back." The crowd murmured in shock. The chief, enraged by Nok Seng's defiance, gave a chilling order. The archers stepped forward, their bows drawn before his very eyes. Nok Seng's 2 children were struck down. They collapsed to the ground, lifeless. A cry of grief tore from his wife's lips. The chief's voice came again, harsher now. "Will you deny your faith? Will you save your wife's life?" In the face of unspeakable loss, Nok Seng's heart was breaking, but his resolve remained. "Through tears," he declared, "though none go with me, still I will follow." His words hung in the air, a challenge and a confession. The order was given again in the same brutal fashion. His wife's life was taken before him. Now, Nok Seng stood completely alone, his family gone, his heart shattered. But still the chief demanded a denial of Christ. By all human logic, this was the moment to surrender. Yet from deep within, Nok Seng found one last breath to speak. "The cross before me, the world behind me. No turning back." It was the ultimate declaration of loyalty to Christ, made at the ultimate cost.